Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2023 model Toyota Veloz V, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 45,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained, plate ending 2, infotainment display, parking brake, parking sensors, 360 camera view, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 1,018,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 165,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. ...2020 model Suzuki Ertiga GL, 1.4-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 44,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, touchscreen radio, with dash camera, central locking system, reverse sensor, SRS airbag, dual aircon, all power, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 658,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 73,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. ...2022 model Toyota Veloz V, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 19,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, ending plate 3, keyless entry, push start, SRS airbags, leather seat, auto climate control, infotainment display, parking sensors, 360 camera view, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 998,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 164,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2019 model Toyota Rush G, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 80,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, push-start engine, keyless entry, touchscreen monitor, steering audio control, auto-fold side mirrors, reverse camera and sensor, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 738,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 96,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2018 model Honda CR-V S, 1.6-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 48,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, plate ending 0, cruise control, genuine leather seats, adaptive cruise control, parking camera, power seats and tailgate, touchscreen head unit, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 958,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 258,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2015 model Chevrolet Trailblazer LTX, 2.8-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 76,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, casa maintained, with casa record, touchscreen display, plate ending 8, dash camera, side visor, reverse sensor, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 648,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 149,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2016 model Isuzu MU-X LSA, top of the line, 3.0-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 114,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, push start, LCD roof mount monitor, power and leather seats, cruise control, steering wheel controls, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 798,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 199,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2014) model Toyota Fortuner V, 2.5-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 101,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, plate ending 7, leather seats, cold aircon, central lock system, touchscreen display, reverse camera and sensors, original spare key, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 768,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 190,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.